This is my second year of wholesaling real estate, and I've made over $250,000 in assignment fees. Now, a lot of people ask me, Nathan, if you were to lose all your money, your employees, your everything, and you were to start over again, how would you do it with no money? Or they'll say, oh, Nathan, I have no money, so I can't get started. Well, actually, yes, you can. And when I got started, I had no money too. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started in wholesale real estate with literally $0. And by the way, if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you a free course that can get you your first deal with zero paid tools, $0 for the course, literally completely free. And the way that we make money from it is by getting you your first deal and selling your first deal for you. So stay to the end to find out more about that JV partnership model that we have to offer you. So if I were to start wholesaling real estate all over again with literally no money, I'd have to start by picking a market, right? That's the big thing. You need to pick one market and you need to pick one strategy. You can't be all over the place. Do not pick multiple markets. Do not feel like the grass is greener on the other side. The grass is green where you water it. So pick one market and stick with it. And if I were to give you any recommendations, I would say pick the Florida market. And if you pick the Florida market, then you're going to be able to do business with us. Okay, so once you pick your market, hopefully it's Florida, then you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to submit 10 MLS offers daily. And I have a free course that I'll tell you more about at the end that will actually show you how to get your first deal doing MLS offers. This is what I built my business on, doing MLS offers. So you're going to have to submit 10 MLS offers daily. The thing is this is going to take you about 5 hours per day. So it's going to take you about 5 hours per day. So let's be real. It is hard work. Look, you have two options. Either option number one, do it for free with hard work, sweat equity, or option number two, pay to play and make your life easy. If you have money, go spend it on systems and automations to help you do this quicker, or go spend it on some PPL leads or whatever. If you want to pay to play, do that. And that'll make your life easier. But if you really need to get your first deal for completely free, there is no way around it. You will have to do hard work. Okay. And that's going to take you approximately 5 hours per day. So if you can do that hard work and you can do that 5 hours per day and submit those 10 MLS offers daily, you can get a deal within about 45 days. So when you submit these 10 offers daily, you're going to also have to follow up on them weekly. So when a week goes by after they already declined your offers, when a week goes by, you're going to call up that agent or you're going to send them a text and say, hey, just wanted to check in on 123 Bank Street. Did you end up selling it? And then usually they'll be like, oh, no, I didn't. Oh, okay. Has the seller gotten a little bit more flexible on price, or they're willing to make a deal happen? Oh, yeah, well, they're willing to come a little bit lower, but not as low as you offer. Okay, no worries. Follow up later. Guys, look, the money is in the follow-up. If you just do the submitting of offers, but you don't follow up, right? What's going to happen is you're probably not going to get remembered when it comes time for them to accept your offer. Here's the reality of it, right? Multiple people are going to offer, right? So let's pretend these are offers. Multiple offers are going to come through, right? Okay. And let's say this one's 100K. Let's say this one is 130K. Let's say this one is 90K. Okay. So what's going to happen is they're probably going to accept this offer first, right? 130K. And then this dude is going to realize, oh shit, I locked it up too high, and they're going to cancel. Okay. And then what are they going to do? Well, they're probably going to accept this offer next. Right. And then this dude's going to try to sell it and he's going to be like, oh shit, I locked it up too high. And then they're going to cancel. And then what's going to happen is they're going to end up accepting your offer. Not all the time, but a decent amount of time. This is how it plays out. You're going to end up accepting your offer and you're going to damn well hope that you got your numbers right. And if you follow the course that I'm going to give you at the end, you most likely will be getting your numbers right a good share of the time. Sometimes you'll get them wrong. That's okay. It's part of it. And then you're going to sell it and you're going to make money. But don't get trigger happy and go and offer way more than it actually can sell for just because you want a deal. So following up on your offers is insanely important because most of the time the money is the follow-up. The next thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find a dispo wholesaler to sell your deals, because learning both the acquisition side and the disposition side is pretty difficult, right? It's a lot to learn. And if you don't have money and you don't have that much time and you need to get a deal really quick, learning both sides is just going to be difficult. So what I'd recommend just find a dispositions wholesaler. That's somebody that specializes in selling deals and partner with them. For example, for me, I'm a dispositions wholesaler in Florida. So if you pick the Florida market and you contract the deal and you bring that deal to me and you say, Nathan, I have this deal under contract. Here's the purchase and sale agreement that's been signed by the seller. Can you help me find the buyer? I'll say, yeah, bro, I'll help you find a buyer, right? It's got to be an actual deal. We'll run our numbers on it. We'll give you feedback. If it is an actual deal, then we'll help you find a buyer. And what are we going to do? We're going to do a profit split. Okay. And we're going to split the profits 50-50. That right there is so incredibly fair and generous. Splitting the profits 50-50. One person brings a deal, one person brings the buyer, and you save yourself a hell of a lot of headaches. So all you have to do is get it under contract and bring it to a dispositions wholesaler. If it's in Florida, bring it to me. I'm a dispositions wholesaler in Florida. If it's in another state, go find a dispositions wholesaler. You can find them inside of REI Facebook groups. You can find them at REI meetups. You can find them if you go to like Wholesale Hotline in the live streams where all of the wholesalers spawn, and just say, hey, looking for a dispositions wholesaler in whatever market. They're everywhere. Lots of people would love the opportunity to sell their deals, but find at least one, maybe find a couple of them just to add your bets. Try to find somebody that's a good performer. Now, remember, if you're brand new, they will probably not answer you right away. You have to show them that you're serious, right? So don't waste their time. Treat them with respect, because if you want to get ignored, don't come with value. Come with value. Come with a deal. Come with something of value. Okay. After that, you need to submit 200 offers, okay? And if you submit 200 offers, you will get some accepted contracts, right? It might not be immediate, but it will come. If you submit 200 MLS offers, you will get some accepted contracts. Now, how long will it take you to get to 200 MLS offers? If you are focused and efficient, you'll be able to submit 10 offers per day, and that's going to take you approximately 5 hours per day. So if you do Monday through Friday, submitting 10 offers, within 4 weeks, you're going to be at 200 offers and you're going to be getting some acceptances. I'm really confident, unless if like you're a complete or something like that on the phone, then of course there's some exceptions to it, but most likely you will have some accepted contracts out of those 200 offers. And then when you get those accepted contracts, you're going to send the contracts to disposition wholesalers to sub. And now once you get one, don't stop. Don't stop there. Keep feeding the pipeline. Keep bringing in more and more contracts. Always keep submitting offers, because you want to be doing at least a deal, maybe 2 deals a month. You need to keep feeding the pipeline. But while you're feeding the pipeline, you have multiple things going on, right? So number one, this right here, this needs to always happen, okay? This right here, submitting 10 offers per day, needs to always happen. Following up on your offers needs to always happen, okay? When you get a property under contract, congrats, right? Keep this happening. Right? Don't let this not happen. Always keep feeding the pipeline. Once you get a property under contract, send it to the disposition wholesalers. Let them do their work. They're going to put it out to their buyers. They're going to try to get it sold. They might not get it sold, right? You might lock up something too high, and that's just part of it. That's why you need to always keep feeding the pipeline. So don't get emotionally invested in just that one deal. Keep feeding the pipeline, because let's be real, for us, it's approximately 50% contract to close, right? So when we contract something, about 50% of it doesn't go to close it, which is okay. It's just part of it. So keep feeding that pipeline. And if you can do this, you can get a deal within 45 days. Now, I told you that at the end, I would give you a resource, a course for you to get more in depth on how to do this. And I've literally broken down this over a 5-module course. It was actually a 5-day live stream. I've done this many times with people. I helped a lot of people get their first deal through this method. It's completely free, a completely free course. There's no need for any paid tools. There's no upsells, no BS like that. I'm not going to get you emotionally invested and then upsell you on day number 2. And if you want this course, go to wholesalewithnate.com. You can get this free course. It's going to teach you the A to Z of how to get deals under contract from the MLS. And the goal is, I want you to go to the Florida market. I want you to contract deals on the MLS, and I want you to send them to my team so that we can sell them for you. That's our selfish intent. And that's how we're monetizing this on the back end, through that JV partnership model where we do a profit split 50-50. So when I get you started, I sell your deals. Eventually, you're going to graduate into having your own buyers list and making 100% of your deal. But the cost to learn is, go watch my course, go take action on my course, go get your first deal, bring it to me, I'll sell it for you. And then after a while, once you're getting good at contracting deals, let's have a conversation about getting you going on the disposition side. So if you want this course, go to wholesalewithnate.com. The link is also going to be in the description of the video. It's probably the most value that you'll ever get for free. It's an insane amount of value. It will literally get you your first deal if you follow the instructions. As a matter of fact, I even guarantee that you will get your first deal if you follow these instructions. And I guarantee it by saying, if you follow the instructions and for some reason you do not have your first deal, I will personally coach you one-on-one until you do for free. That's how confident I am in this strategy. I built my business on this strategy. If you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to see hundreds of live streams. I'm not kidding. Hundreds of live streams of me doing this strategy and actively making money and traveling the world while doing it. So if you believe in yourself, I'll believe in you. You need to go to wholesalewithnate.com, grab that course. It's completely free to grab, free to use. You don't need any pay tools or anything, and go just freaking take action. But I'm going to tell you this before you get into it. 97% fail. Okay. 97% fail. And the reason why 97% fail is because they quit. They quit. I've never had somebody actually do the work and fail. The only reason why I've seen people fail is because they quit. They give up. So if you actually have it in you and you have the ability to stay in the game and see this through to completion, you will get your first deal. But if you don't have it in you and you're going to give up after 3 days, don't even start. Don't even start. But if you have it in you, you can get your first deal. So go to wholesalewithnate.com. The link is in the description of this video. Go grab that course. Go take massive action. Get your first deal. Let us know when you have your first deal and we will sell it for you and we'll both make a lot of money together.